Today is Giving Tuesday, and we are at East Valley Shelter. We are clearing the shelter of all available cats. That means cats that are not on stray hold or don't have an adoption appointment already.
Right now we're just preparing all the carriers so that we can get all the cats loaded and then get them back to the sanctuary.
About how many cats are there?
I don't actually know yet. There's at least 29, possibly more.
It's a lot of cats.
It's a lot of cats.
These all look really well socialized. This little one down here looks a little bit scared. That's okay, baby. That's okay. And then the foster parents will come to collect their cats. And we'll have some left at the sanctuary that still need fostering.
42 cats. We have rescued 42 cats from East Valley today. That is a lot of cats.
We're way over our heads, but I like to roll like this.
We are doing some blood testing. Doing a little routine screen to see if they have leukemia or FIV. And get them situated in foster homes and at our sanctuary and in our nursery.
This is Ella. She's 12 years old. We just got her from East Valley Shelter. When we cleared the shelter, she is a senior cat. They said 12 years old. I think she might be older.
She has a fake ID. This is not a 12-year-old
Yeah,
cat.
no.
And this is Dodger, one of the kitties that was featured on the social media run up to today. And,
Thank you to everybody that made this happen today. This was an incredible group effort. Thank you to our donors for supporting us. Thank you to our foster parents for stepping up to foster a shelter kitty and give them a home for the holidays. This is an incredible act of giving on this Giving Tuesday, and we are just grateful to everyone for their support.